Welcome. If you've ever been in a Messenger group chat and wanted to revisit a funny photo, a shared file, or an important link, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to easily view all the shared media in a Messenger group. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look through your chat list and find the group where you want to view the shared media. Tap on that group to open the conversation. Now, at the very top of the chat screen, you'll see either the group's name or the group picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up the group's details page, where you can see all sorts of information about the group. On this page, look for the option labeled View Media, Files and Links. Tap on it. This is where Messenger keeps everything that's been shared in the group, all nicely organized for you. Once you're in, you'll see 3 tabs: Media, Files, and Links. For now, let's focus on the Media tab. Tap on Media, and you'll see a gallery of all the photos and videos that have been shared in the group chat. You can scroll through and tap on any image or video to view it in full screen. It's that simple. If you're looking for a specific file or link, just switch to the Files or Links tab. Everything is sorted by the date it was shared, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can quickly access all the photos, videos, files, and links shared in any Messenger group. No more endless scrolling through messages. Everything you need is just a few taps away. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.